Hi guys, myself D Johnson. I am from EC01. My roll number is 37. Today I am understanding your organization and introduction to SWOT analysis. Embark on a journey to gain profound insights into your organization landscape. A SWOT analysis is a powerful strategic planning tool that helps business identify internal and external factors that can impact their future. Strengths, internal advantages, and core competencies. There are three types. Unique capabilities. What does your organization do exceptional well? These are your competitive different differentiators. Valuable resources. Identifying your key assets, including skilled personnel, proprietary technology, and strong brand reputation. Market position. Consider your strong presence in specific market or loyal customer base. Understanding your strengths allows to leverage the strategically refining your market position and building the foundation for the growth. Acknowledge internal limitations and areas for improvement. Acknowledgement addressing weakness is crucial for sustainable progress. It's about self-awareness and commitment to evolution. Resource gaps. Are there insufficient fund, technology, or personnel that hinder operations? 2. Operational inefficiencies. Identify bottlenecks, outdated process, or a lack of clear communication channels. Skill deficiencies. Evaluate any gaps in employee skills or expertise that could impact performance. Reputational issues. Are there any negative perceptions unsolved? Turning weakness into strengths require careful analysis and decisive action. Opportunities, external factors to capitalize on. The external environment often presents avenues for growth. Identifying these opportunities can lead to significant competitive advantages. Opportunities, external factors to capitalize on. The external environment often presents avenues for growth. Identifying the innovations can improve efficiency, product of offering, or customer experience. Policy charges, new regulations, and government incentives that could benefit your business. Market trends, shifting consumer preference or industry trends that align with your capabilities. Challenges, external obstacles, threats to mitigate. Competitive landscape, new entrants, aggressive market by rivals, or evolving customer loyalty. Economic downturns, recessions, inflation, or decreased consumer spending. Regulatory changes, new laws or compliance requirements that impact operations. Technology disruptions, rapid innovations making existence products are self-obstacles. Understanding potential challenges is the first step towards developing robust mitigation strategies and ensuring business continuity. Conducting your SWOT, a practical step-by-step guide. Extending comprehensive SWOT analysis involves a structured approach to gather and interpret data. Assemble a diverse team. Involve representatives from various departments to ensure a holistic perspective. Brainstorm each category. Dedicate sessions for strengths, weakness, opportunities, and challenges. Encourage open and honest input. Gather data and evidence. Support brainstormed points with faculty data, market research, and consumer feedback. Prioritize key factors. Identify the most significant points in each category that requires immediate attention or strategic focus. Document and review. Create a key concept review and renew it, progress, and identify new insights. A well-conducted SWOT analysis from the bedrock of informed decision making. Actionable insights, transforming SWOT into strategic planning. Leverage strengths and opportunities. How can you use your internal advantages to save external chances? Addressing weakness and opportunities. What internal improvements are needed to make the most of external growth areas? Capitalize on strength and mitigate challenges. How can your core competence help overcome external obstacles? Minimize weakness and challenges. What strategies are needed to reduce internal defenses and protect against external threats? The true power of SWOT lies in the ability to translate into dynamic roadmap of organizational success. Thank you.